All right, man, this one's here and it actually has more options than that Edge had. So it's got remote start. I don't see any major damage. I mean, it has a few minor little nicks and stuff, like anything you'd expect in a car with this, you know, being used, but it's not damaged like that other one is by any means. It's got remote start, power lift gates. There it goes. Of course, it's gonna have 8-inch backup camera, 3rd row. Let's see how the tires look. I don't know if those are brand new, but they seem like new if they're not. So there's a ton of thread in the tires. Like I said, I don't see anything major. I mean, it's got a few little tiny little nick there. Like I said, this one has a lot more options. It's got front sensors, backup camera, voice command, remote starts, leather seats, blind spot monitoring on the mirrors. It does need a bath though. Just push button start, has park assist, heated seats. It's got navigation, voice commands. So we're dealing with a lot more options. Looks in decent shape to me. Like I said, it just needs a good bath.